Welcome to our unboxing video, and right now we'll be opening Realme 9 Pro 5G, and this variant is Midnight Black Realme 9 Pro 5G, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of space of storage. So let's get into opening by cutting the foil around the edges, carefully not to damage the box. Okay, we got it open, and to lift it, be very careful, because as far as I know they tend to actually things fall out from it if you do it if you use too much force on it. So usually, as usual, here we'll probably have the instructions along with the case for our phone. So let's get that open. So yeah, as I've said, the instructions, the needle for SIM card and the storage card. Here are the instructions and our case. I like that they've actually added the cases because some companies miss on that and you never know you need one. So yeah, and here's the actual device. It might be hard to get out, but we can just use that thing right here, like so. So the cover along with the phone, that is actually sealed in the plastic bag, and that's really good practice, because there's more protection to it. So here's our charger for our phone along with the cable, and it's USB-C, of course. So we're gonna put that here, and that's, I think, everything from the box. So we can actually proceed to opening the phone, but I can tell you small information about the phone in the meantime. So the price is around $320 US. Usually you will find that price when you will be wanting to buy it. And another information is actually there should be included around here, like the Snapdragon 695 5G processor, the Nightscape camera 64 megapixels, and a very smooth screen. It has 120 Hz of the display latency. So the battery is 5000 milliampere hours, and it's really massive. So your battery will last for a long time. Let's open the foil to actually unbox the phone, because I think he plays the most important role here. Okay, the cover is quite nice. You can see it. Okay, it's unsealed now. I'm gonna put that here. So the camera, the camera is sticking out, as you can see. It does stick out, but we put it. Yeah, the case will protect it fine. We'll put it in a second. Oh yeah, the glue just stick. Wait, let me clean that. actually, so you'll have more pleasant view on it. I will get the cleaning tools ready and start cleaning it a bit. Okay, now that we have it cleared, we can go more with this kind of review. We have the front camera in the corner, left corner, right here. It's a weird practice. Personally, I don't like it, but they do this, and some people like it, so it's fine that you have some difference in the phones. Like you can always personalize your phone. That's a good thing, I think. So yeah, let's put on the case now and see how the back side of the phone looks when it's actually has the case. Yeah, I always struggle with putting it on, because yeah, this one is done and this one is done. All is fine. So the actual back, I mean, it's kind of dirty, but it doesn't shine through. So yeah, there's not much to it. Like the others I actually covered, they were visible from beneath the case. So okay, let's open up the phone. Okay. It took some time, but okay. Hello. Now we can pick our language. We're gonna go with English, and you can also do emergency call if you want, and of course the accessibility, which you can enable or disable and personalize it. Okay, let's move on. Here we can select the language, but we're gonna stick with Polish because we live here, so let's just select that one. Continue. Legal information, we can actually agree to everything here, and we can connect to the Wi-Fi right here, but I'm gonna skip on that. Google services, but again, to log into our Google you need a connection, and here you can actually customize your navigation around your phone. So yeah, that's good. I actually and honestly prefer buttons, so I'm just gonna stick with the buttons. Some may hate me for that, but let's just go with the buttons like this. And unlock method, actually let's try fingerprint, because and the numeric password, of course. Okay, very responsive, I like that. This password, yes, and it's set. Okay, the fingerprint scanner is located right here, so we can start scanning our finger, and it should improve the speed of unlocking our phone. So let's try that. I like the vibrations on this phone. It's really like the feel, like it's heavy. You can feel it. Like I actually never got a phone that was this hard with vibrating. Yeah, it's actually funny. Okay, auto update overnight. No, I don't want that. Welcome, we're in. Get started. Okay, and we're in the phone, and as always we have the PUBG installed. We can actually delete a few of the applications that are already installed. You got LinkedIn, Booking, Amazon shop and probably more Amazon apps, I guess. There will be? No. Okay. Look, there's no Amazon apps. But okay, let's move on to our settings, and I'm gonna show you the phone information just to show you that the phone is real and it's not any magic trick here. About device. So our device name, Realme 9 Pro 5G. The processor, as I mentioned, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G. The model is just the ID, so it doesn't matter, to be honest. Realme UI version is 3.0, sorry. The memory, it's 8 GB. Android version 12. And you can, security update was made January 5, so it's good versions. You can check the versions, legal information, etc. Status, regulatory experience, yeah, that's just no normal thing. And storage, because I didn't mention it, 21 GB used out of 128 GB, so we still have a lot of space to go. System settings, as normal, you can change the language region, system navigation from, if you don't like the buttons which I picked, you can always change to the gestures, and from here from here you can customize it even further, but I'm gonna stick with the buttons. You can customize them as well, like change the layout. Language region, we picked the region and language in the beginning of the video when I opened the phone, so we're not gonna change that. Keyboard input, you can change settings involving your input settings and keyboard, it's mostly same thing. Date and time, just what it says. You change the date and time, but I would actually make sure that it's set to time automatically, just to make your phone not perform weirdly, because if the time is different, it might not show some pages, or you might not be able to go to Google Play Store or browse the Google Chrome. Accessibility, press power button to end calls. You can customize your phone, like I can't go through all of the settings, it's just showing you basic stuff. System settings, we've been here. Special features, which we can check, because there should be some special. Flexible windows, oh, we can enable that, we can disable that, and we can customize it as well. Smart sidebar, we can do that. Kid space, if you have a kid, you can always enable that to just make your life simpler. Simple mode, and it basically, I think it should organize apps, yeah, bigger font size and app icons, allow the ringtone for a simple mode, find the functions you need more quickly. Okay, you can change the screenshot. No, okay. So yeah, then there's last thing I can show you is, but I need to find it in password and security. Yeah, because there's on most of the phones you can get the fingerprint scanner in a setting called biometrics, and not in the actual password and security, but it's here. So you can change the fingerprint here, or add your fingerprint as well with the face, or your face scanner, or lock screen password and privacy password. So I think we went almost through every major setting in the phone, and just some usual settings. To the left you got Google Messages and information. Okay, and last thing I'm going to show you just how to delete apps if you don't want this PUBG to be on your phone. Simply just scroll down like this and just select the app that you want to uninstall and just press uninstall, like so. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.